I have a blood food problem in my country, and I applied for asylum because I didn't want to die. I tried every time, but nothing. For example, I need to marry. Very long time I am waiting for only marriage procedure. I can, I don't have work permission. I need, but nothing. I'm waiting on my procedure. I hope so. Is everything is okay because I don't want to die. I afraid I need a secure country, but in Macedonia, really safe country. We don't know I am here. I have a here is good life now.